Hi, this is Umar. Sometimes in your life or your business or your workplace, you have to think unconventionally. You have to think out of the box so that you get a niche or core competence which is going to help you succeed in your goals, right? Same applies to stock market. You don't have to stick to one plan or one strategy and hope this strategy is going to give you a profit. You have to think out of the box, right? That is what we are trying to do here. In this video we will try to analyze a concept where we deploy a strangle and change that strangle into a straddle and change that straddle into a double straddle. So the objective here is, at the end of the day, we have to be able to be in profit. At the end of the day, we want to be in profit. That's why we are here, right? Everybody here is in the hope of making money in the market, stock market. So that is what we are trying to do here. And whatever I am going to tell you or whatever I am going to share with you is years and years, is a result of years and years of knowledge and evaluating and doing things differently, looking the market in a different perspective. And some people ask me, who has taught you this concept, or who's your mentor, or who's your teacher? Let me tell you, nobody is my teacher. The market is my real teacher, and the fees I have paid to the market to gain this knowledge is humongous. And of course, we have gained more than 10x of what we have lost. That is entirely a different story. And maybe in the future I will come out with a video and I will share with you my profit and loss account. So for now we will do this concept and we will learn this concept and how to exit the trade if our view goes wrong. And in case you have any doubts about this concept, you can also join our Telegram discussion group, for which that link is on the description below. You can raise your questions and we will try to answer your questions. Also consider subscribing this channel, as your support really motivates us. Now back to the concept. So what we will do now is, as I told you, we will deploy a strangle first, and we will change that strangle into a straddle and change that straddle into a double straddle. And of course, if you have to do this, market has to be very bullish or bearish, or it has to move very extensively. For that purpose, what I am going to do is, I am taking the month of March. If you see March, we will take the month of February. If you see, the month of February was very bullish and Nifty moved around more than 1500 points, I believe. So we will take the month of February. We will take 1st of Feb to 25th of Feb. So now what we will do, for the purpose of testing, we will take the month of February, and obviously for this kind of concept, to backtest these kinds of concept, market has to be really violent, right? February was a month where market moved more than 1500 points, I believe. So we will take the month of February, we will test this concept, or we will backtest this concept, and we will see what is the outcome. So on 1st of February, market was exactly at around 13,700, and as I told you, what we will do is, we will deploy a strangle now. And since the market is in 13,700, what I am going to do is, I am going to deploy a strangle 500 points away. So I will sell a 14,200 call, and on the upside, and on the downside, what we will sell a 13,200 put. So that is the downside. So what we have done here is, we have sold one call and we have sold one put, and it becomes a perfect strangle. This is the strangle, and this is our base trade. This is where we have started, and we will see where the market takes us. The rule here is, whenever this line is breaches, whenever your break-even point is breached, you have to exit the trade. That is what the rule is. that will be the optimal time to exit the trade. See here, on 1st of February we deployed a Strangle. We sold 14,200 call and 13,200 put, and we collected a combined premium of around 24,000. On the same day market was super bullish, and on the same day market rallied from 13,700 and it crossed more than 14,200. Now since, see, on February 1st around 2 p.m. Market has already touched our break even, not break even point. The 14,200 call which we sold is now at the money. When we sold, it was out of the money. Obviously a Strangle, when you sell a call or put far out of the money, it is called Strangle. Yeah. So what happened here is, on 1st of February itself, our 14,200 call which was out of the money has become in the money now. Now you don't have to go. If the market rallies, you will be in great trouble. Why? I will tell you. If the market, when at the money is going to become in the money, the delta is going to increase and your losses will going to be exponential. That is another subject which involve Greeks, option Greeks. So I will in the future I will post a video about Greeks, about delta hedging, about gamma, rho, and so on. So we don't have to worry about that now. Now here the rule is, whenever our strike is at the money, we have to make the adjustment. When it comes to this concept, not all other strategies, when it comes to this concept, whenever the out of the money comes to at the money, you immediately take action. So the 14,200 which we sold is now at the money. Yeah. So what you do here is, you book profit in 13,200 put we sold. Earlier on the base trade, we sold 14,200 call and we sold 13,200 put. Yeah, since the market is rallied, 13,200 is giving us a good profit. And you check the range here. Earlier on our base trade, our upper range is 14,500 and our lower range is around 13,000. Now what you do, since the market has rallied so much, we will book in 13,200 put. Yeah, we will sell the 13,200 put which we sold earlier for around 162. Now it has come to 60 rupees, around 60 rupees. We will exit that trade. Yeah, now you have exited the trade, right? Now what will happen? Since the 14,200 call is at the money, we will go and sell one more 14,200 call. Yeah, we will go and sell one more 14,200 call. Now what will happen? The Strangle which we sold earlier is going to become a Straddle. This is what I am telling you. And you see the range now. Earlier our range was around 14,500 I believe. Now it has come to 14,700. That is the point here. You are trying to extend the range here, and you have already booked profit in the 13,200 put which we sold on our base trade. That 7,600 profit is already there. It is in your account. You don't have to worry about that. Now what the thing is, the Strangle has become a Straddle. Now again we continue with the trade, and let's see where this trade takes us. Actually, month of February was very violent month. Not violent month, I would say. It was very bullish month. Market was moving everywhere. Yeah, on same 2nd of February, market gapped up, and from 14,200 to 14,700 it has rallied. Now you have to note one point here. When it comes to Strangle, in the previous trade, what we did is we deployed a Strangle. And as I told you, Strangles are out of the money call and out of the money put. So when the out of the money put or out of the money call comes to at the money, you have to immediately take action. But when it comes to straddle, you have to take action only when the break even points are breached. So in this case, our 14,200 call straddle, the break even upper point 14,700 break even point is about to breach. So what we do now, we deploy one more straddle here. Since the market is in 14,700 and we are at 14,200, you have to average this trade. So what we will do is, we will go and sell for one more straddle. Since market is at 14,700, we will go and maybe sell 15,200. Yeah, we will go and sell 15,200 straddle. So this becomes double straddle. You started with a strangle, then we made that strangle into a straddle, and we are making that straddle to a double straddle now. Yeah, and once we do it, this is how the market is going to look like. This is how your trade is going to look like. And we'll see what happens to this trade. Market is super bullish, I think, in the month of February. Yeah, obviously because Nirmala Sitharaman delivered her financial budget, I think. So market was super bullish, and on 9th of February it was almost going to breach our break-even point, but it hasn't breached our break-even point. So we'll stop. We don't have to make any adjustment and see what we will do here. And whatever strategies or whatever concept I am telling you is like, to be honest, you will require lots and lots of margin money. Your pocket has to be really deep, because these kind of strategies will help only when you have a good amount of margin money. Yeah, let's see on 18th of February what has happened is, this trade is in the profit of around 4,339. So that is the real adjustment. Had you not done any adjustment and you been with the original strangle what you have deployed, your trade would have been in loss, because our break even point was around 14,500 or 14,400 on the base trade, I believe. Yeah, even if the market is moving violently and your conviction or your hope is that the market will come down and expire between the break even point, if you see the MTM losses, you will psychologically be affected. So let's see what is going to happen in this trade. On 19th of February, this trade has given us a profit of around 12,800. On 22nd February, this trade has given an excellent profit of around 17,000. I'm not calculating how much margin requirement is. In case you want margin requirements, I will tell you, maybe this is one lot on 2 lots here. From 2 lots in strangle, 1 lot on the call side and 1 lot on the put side, and 2 lots in straddle, 1 on call side and 1 on put side. And when we go to double straddle, 2 lots in call side and 2 lots in put side. So strangle 2 lots, straddle 2 lots, and in double straddle we are in 4 lots. So that's how this is working. and on 24th of February this trade has given us a profit of around 20,000. So this time should be the excellent time to exit, but still we will wait and see what happens at the expiry day. Yeah, on expiry day, that is on 25th of February, market has expired at around 15,100 and this trade has given us a profit of 22,300. So this is how we make trade, and so this is how we make adjustment, and this is how we manage our trades dynamically, so that at the end of the day we come out with a good profit or even with a minor loss. And let me tell you again, time on again we are insisting and we are telling you require lots and lots of margin money. Concept like this or strategies like this will require lots and lots of money. And imagine this, even for a single lot of Nifty, you will require 1.5 lakhs of margin money. That is, and of course this strangles and straddles, if you implement, there will be some margin benefits, because the call is hedged with the put and put is hedged with the call. But the margin money will not be as cheap as iron condor or some other credit spread or debit spread, because you are exposed to unlimited risk, right, when you are in strangle or straddle. So there will be margin benefits, but you will not have too much of margin benefits in these type of adjustment strategies. So what I'm trying to say is, or what the thing is, like, you will require at least minimum of good margin money. You need to have good amount of money, so that you manage the positions. And this is just only one lot, like we are doing maybe 15 or 20 lots. So that's about it, and this is how we manage our trades and this is how we manage our concept, so that you get an idea of how it's around. Even if the market is going to zero, or even if the market is crashing, we have strategies. We don't have to care where the market is going. Unless and until you know what is going to happen, you don't have to worry. I never look at the MTM profit or MTM losses. I know exactly where the market is going, what is going to happen. I will not be knowing where the market is going, but I will know what will happen to the MTM losses. I know how to make the adjustment. Even if it is big lakh, 6 lakh or 5 lakhs loss, I don't see at the MTM losses, because I know how to manage that. End of the day, I know how to hedge things and how to change things, or even we can use some other instrument to get out of this trade. If the trade is going in loss, we will come out of it with a profit. That is what we are trying to do here. We are here in the market in the hope of making money, and everyone wants to make money. That is the real thing here. So we are trying to do that thing. So we will focus on how to change things, how to manage things, how to manage risk, and how to utilize our margin. That is what we have to focus on. We don't have to focus on we don't have to see our MTM losses, or you don't have to see the technical chart, the RSI is there, cash flow index is going down. You don't have to worry about that. If you know how to manage things, you will have a hope, you will have confidence, you will have a strong conviction that you will get out of the trade with a good profit. So that's about it. Hope you like this video. In case you like this video, consider subscribing this channel, and also support us by sharing this channel and hitting that like button. Thank you. Bye.